ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan ra shapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom so pho near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Ka District Legal Service Authority West Jaiñtia Hills District harangkat ka jinge trailang bat ki bor penya jong ka West Jaiñtia Hills District haka arpu artri ko bana risau arhajar arpu way kila penlong ka jingnya peleu jingmot halor ka pang talk on SDG program and 2030 agenda of the United Nations kum shibenta ka jing Rakhe ka United Nations Day. Ka Sustainable Development Goals kadai ka way ni ki thong tray kam jong ka United Nations balamang nagabenta kiri ha ka ba an bishar ka jinglong jingman jong kiri ka perthei ha ka ba day bat ka yo ka kot ka jingnang jingstad ka jinya da ka maryang bat ki way ha ka ni ka jinya lang pleu jingmot lay shimbenta di officer na kitna tray kam sarkar ba pher but ka jinya lang la penyai the Chief Judicial Magistrate kam secretary jong ka District Legal Service Authority ka kong RM Karsenteo.
The works that each and every department has to strive to reach those goals and to try and achieve as much as possible in all the 17 or rather 16 goals that have been spelled out before us. We're happy to know that Meghalaya is ranked first in the reduction of inequality. That is, we, as a state, most of the citizens, in fact, as per the index, inequality is not there, I would say. So we are happy with that. However, as the chairperson has already stated, we should not be happy with only achieving a target of one particular goal. We have another 15 more goals. Out of the 17, as the consultant has pointed out, there is one goal which is not linked maybe to Meghalaya. So we have to strive hard to reach at least in the top spots, or maybe in the top 10 or maybe top 5 of all the other goals that are related to us. Based on these social development goals, in particular the Government of India, for its celebration of its 75 years of independence, has come up with Amrit Ki Azadi Ki Amrit Mahotsav. This is also to highlight what all the departments have been doing. The initiatives taken by the different departments, maybe to achieve the goals that have been spelled out, or maybe to go out of the way to come up with the initiatives, with projects, programs to make our country a much more better country, a much more better country than what it is at present. The years to come, and especially the few months leading to the 75 years celebration of the 75 years of our independence, I would like to urge all the district heads to think seriously about the action plan that has been spelled out by the various departments. Go back to the drawing boards, come up with solutions as to how do we achieve those goals or the plans that we have kept for ourselves. And maybe in a few months or maybe a few years, we will see that we are not only good in, we will not only achieve the goals that is spelled out to us only in one particular goal. However, the other remaining goals that we have to work upon, that are still at the bottom of the SDG index, we would at least better our position in the months and years to come.